In this video I'm going to show you how to set up Canon Pixma TS3751i printer. This is a complete setup. I'm just going to install the setuping cartridges, we'll load the paper, and then we'll do the wireless printing and scanning using the Wi-Fi setup or the wireless setup. Let's start with the setup process. First step is to switch on the printer. Plug in the power cable at the back of the printer. Connect the power cable. Switch on the printer, press the power button. Next step is to install the setup ink cartridges. Make sure you take the ink cartridges out of the plastic packaging and also remove the orange seal from here. Ink chamber is here. Push it down. You will see the blue locks. Press it down for both black and color. Place the ink cartridges. Just place it here and slide it in. It will adjust itself in its position, and once it is there, just push this blue lock up. That will lock the ink cartridge. Same with the black ink cartridge, and then push it up. Now close the ink chamber. Wait for the ink cartridges to be recognized. We will just load paper. Paper trays here. Adjust the size. Load letter size plain paper. Go to the display panel. Press OK to confirm. So right now our printer is ready for the copy, and we can do a copy test to confirm it. Open the lid. Place a page facing down on this corner. Close it. Simply click on the black or color. Paper output tray is here. Printer is working. Next step is to do the wireless setup of the printer. We are going to connect it with the home or office Wi-Fi network so that we can use it for wireless printing and scanning. You can do this setup using an Android phone or iPhone. Even you can use it with the MacBook or laptop. You just have to download the Canon Print App. Open the Canon Print App. In the app we have to add the printer, so click on the add switch. Select register printer. Select the next option if printer cannot be found. Is your printer listed below? No. Select auto connection. Then it asks you if your printer has a button like this. Yes, we have. We have to press and hold this button for 3 seconds. On the panel we will see this button. Press and hold it for 3 seconds and then release it. On the printer display panel you will see wireless light is flashing and a line is flashing. Just wait for the 2 lines to flash. Printer is ready for the setup. Go to the app section and click on the confirm and click next. Press OK to connect. Printer wants to join Wi-Fi network TS3700 series. Join. If your smartphone is already connected to a Wi-Fi, it will display that name. Click yes. We successfully installed the printer and we can start using it for wireless printing and scanning. For example, to do a scan, we can click on the scan icon. We can place a page here. Place a page you want to scan. In the settings, you can go and select photo, document. Once you are ready, go back, click on the scan icon. Scan is transferred. You can add more pages or you can just click on the exit and then you can click on this icon, save it as a JPEG or PDF file. On the next screen you can just click on the save to files. You can give a name to your file. And then click on the save. Close this window. If you want to print something, you can just go to the photo print. It will give you the option to print the photos available in your smartphone. If you have a document to print, you can just click on the document print section. Simple document in the smartphone. And here you can just select any one of this. Any document you want to print, you can select. Click on the next and click on the print. Let's check the printing speed. That is the setup of the printer, and we have successfully done the copy, print and scan with it. Close this window, close it. If you want to add this printer in a MacBook or laptop, you can do that. It's very easy. I'll just show you how to use it with the MacBook. In the MacBook, go to the Canon Print App. You can download it from the App Store. If you have a Windows 11 laptop, just go to the Microsoft Store and download the Canon Print App. In the app, we have to add the printer. So once you see this screen, click on the icon that is here, add new printer. Add new printer. Setup now. On this page, we have to click on the start setup. Make sure your printer is on. Click next. Because we have already connected this printer with the Wi-Fi network, it should display here. So we can just simply select it and click on the next. It will display your Wi-Fi network details. Continue. Connection is successful. Click on the add printer. Select Canon TS3700 Series. Click on the add. Close this window. Click next in the app. Click on the next. You can also print that page. Go to website and then just close this window and you will see your printer that is displaying here. Just wait for it to update. It will display the estimated level of ink, and now we can start using it for wireless printing and scanning using the MacBook. In the same way, you can add this printer in a Windows 11 laptop and then we can start using it. Thanks for watching.